Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the file you want to edit. Open the Replace panel now with Ctrl+H so you can act immediately. Once open, type the word to find in the left box and the new word in the right box. Make sure to toggle case sensitivity or whole word if you need precise matches. Your setting scope first. Choose current file, folder, or entire workspace before running replacements so you control where changes will occur. Next, refine how replacements run by using the Options row toggle case sensitivity for exact casing, use regex for patterns, and enable whole word to avoid partial matches. Once done, narrow scope. Set files to include or exclude, or select the folder from Explorer so you don't change unrelated files. Preview matches in the results list. You can expand file entries to inspect each hit before acting. This step prevents accidental global edits and keeps replacements predictable. Finally, choose Replace All to change every visible match, or click Replace for each instance when you want manual control. After replacing, review edits in the editor or check the Git diff to verify intended changes. If something goes wrong, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z or revert the commit through source control. If matches were unexpected, make sure regex is off, tweak the search term, and narrow the include/exclude fields. Then repeat so replacements match what you actually want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.